Here's how you take a quiz or an exam that requires Respondus Lockdown Browser. You downloaded Respondus Lockdown Browser above here in the Welcome module, so you have the program downloaded. If I try to take this quiz here through Blackboard, I won't be able to do it because a password is required, so I'm locked out. In order to take an exam that requires the Lockdown Browser, you have to get in through the program that you downloaded. Here it is, Lockdown Browser. I'm going to click on that. You may have to close some programs that are open, so I'm letting it do that. Now you'll need to log in to Blackboard, and give me a second to get this done. And we're in. I'm going to go to the course I was just at. Navigate, here's the Welcome module, navigate to the quiz I showed you earlier that it wouldn't let me enter. Now when I click on it, I am in. And Lockdown Browser will take you through some system checks, a webcam check, an environment check, but once you get through these checks, you'll be able to take the quiz or the exam.